Hi, let's check out this 3-in-1 bug detector. Here is the product main body. The USB cable, user menu, practice camera lens. For this device, it has 3 functions. The first function is the 940nm invisible LED detect, also together with the pinhole camera lens detect and the Wi-Fi single detect for the 4G and 2.4G Wi-Fi cameras. We can see from the ruler, the viewfinder of this device is around 9 centimeters. So that means it is with a very wide viewfinder and very user-friendly for any users to detect a pinhole lens when they're checking, not only by a small hole but a very super big viewfinder.